In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on how to create working QR codes with ChatGPT. Once you're on ChatGPT, all you need to do is type something along the lines of, can you create a working QR code that links to, then paste a link you want the QR code to send the user to. This is for my YouTube channel, then press enter. It has now come back and provided this download link for my QR code, so if I click this, it will download. Now if I open the file, here is the QR code. To prove this works, I'm going to scan this with my camera, then if I click the link, it takes me to my YouTube channel. That's all we have for this video on generating QR codes with ChatGPT. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.